Hello everybody, we're out here this morning. Wow, in the deep south the temperature has dropped back down into the low 40s this morning. Oh, the solar minimum is really happening here. So what we're doing today is we have got to have some turnip greens to eat. And we want the roots to go with them, because actually the roots are what makes the greens as good as they are. So what we're going to do is we're going to dig into these turnips we got here, and we're going to see if we can locate some good turnips to eat and find a few roots in there also. All right guys, we're down here. Woo, hands are cold. We're going to start digging in here. Look at the leaves on these things. Man, they're awesome. We're going to look down in around in here, see if we see anything. We got one down here. It's got a little bit of a purple root on it right in here. Let's see if we can get a hold to it. Get a little thinning out done. I don't like to let my roots get too big, because if you let them get too big, they get kind of woody tasting and everything. There we go. There's one nice one there. Got some beautiful leaves. We're also going to be getting a few for just eating. So if they look like they're still a little thick, I'm going to thin a few of them out here while I'm going. Got a few of these here. Of course, I know y'all hear the babies in the background. If we come to the garden, they got to come with us. If I thin them out a lot more. I might have one right here with a root on it. We got to get this one out of here. Let's shake a little dirt off down there and bring it up. Get it out here. Oh, look at that. Just the right size. Get some of these old bad leaves. When you get these things down around the ground, some of these leaves get kind of bad. We got another. Now, I'm telling you, look at you don't know how long them are? I'm sitting on the ground by my foot. It's up to my kneecap up here. I'm long-legged, so them things good 2 feet long. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna pull a couple more here just to thin them out a little bit, because they just get to be a little bit too thick in here. Because we got to have some to eat. Mix us some greens in with it. All right, let me see if I can inch down here a little further. Okay, here we go. We got one right in here. Let's see if we can get this one up. Look at that, another root. Nice, we're going to snatch off a few of these old bad leaves. Lay that over here with these. Got us a few roots there, a few leaves. I'm gonna try to see if we can't get up in here. We got a little bit more thinning out we're gonna have to do here. I can see that. This here is a huge plant right here. This thing's is probably 2 feet long, but look at the little old scrawny root on it right here. That's what happens when you don't thin these things out enough for them to get roots on them. They don't do good. That's what we're trying to do, is get some of this stuff thinned out here.
The greens are cooking really well. They've kind of wilted down some. We're going to let them cook for probably 30-40 minutes. Make sure our little roots are done. I'm going to add a little bit of salt And this is when a lot of people like to add either bacon grease or something like that, but mainly I'm going to be adding salt. That's about it. We probably make a little bit of cornbread. Okay guys, tonight we have our greens that we picked. These are, what are they, purple top turnips?
Yep, purple top turnips.
With the roots. The roots make it sweeter. If you don't add the roots to the greens,
the roots right there,
then that's what makes it sweeter.
That's some good eating, guys. You don't get much better than this at Deep South Homestead.
We have green beans from here, the cornbread, and then we have chicken. And this is some of the chicken breast that we harvested, what, last week?
When Amanda was here.
Yeah, last week.
Yeah.
Guys, this is awesome. And we have plenty more greens to go.
Yep.
So I think we'll have greens for a few days, probably several weeks, and then can some more.
I think so.
So thank you guys from Deep South Homestead.
Good eating, guys.